Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we will discuss the sixth poem of your book, Woven Words, and the name of the poem is Mother Tongue, and it is written by Padma Sachdev. So before starting the poem, let us first of all discuss about the poet. So who is the poet? Padma Sachdev. Let us read about her. She was born in 1940 and writes in her mother tongue. So what is her mother tongue? Dogri, and along with Dogri she also writes in Hindi. She has received many awards for her poetry, including the Sahitya Akademi Award, which she received at the age of 30 for her first collection of Dogri poems. The poem Mother Tongue expresses her deep emotional attachment to her mother tongue, Dogri. Means this poem is devoted towards the mother tongue of the poet, and the mother tongue is Dogri. Okay. Now let us read about the poem, and when we will read about the poem, then in that perspective it will become easier for us to understand the poem. So the given poem Mother Tongue bemoans the deprivation of Dogri of its native script Shardi that revolved around the original Brahmi around the time Dogri developed. This poem also expresses the poet's love for her mother tongue and her promptness to serve it. Simplicity and natural flow makes it a pleasure to read. Means the language of the poem makes it more convincing. Okay, now let us start the poem. Let us understand the poem stanza wise. Let us see the first stanza of the poem. I approached a stem swinging on a reed and asked him to give me a quill. Irritated, he said, I gave you one only the other day, a new one. What have you done with it? So here the poetess approached a stem of the reed and asked for the quill, and let us see what is the reaction of the reed. Let us see its explanation. Here the poetess is sitting beside the stem of the reed and is demanding for the pen. The stem showed its irritation because yesterday he had given one more pen to the poetess, and he asked the poetess that what she had done with the old pen. Okay, so student, you all might have seen the reed plant. Reed is a plant which grows near the water resources and which is just a hollow, which has a hollow stem. Okay, and one more thing, you might have seen in the olden days in the books and all, in the olden days people used to write with that sort of a stem, and by dipping that stem into the ink pot, and they used to write it. Okay, now let us see the second stanza of the poem. Are you some sort of an accountant with some shah writing accountant books where you need a new pen every other day? He asked. So here this stanza is said by the reed in response to the demand of the poetess. Now let us see its explanation. When the stem of the reed says to poetess that why she is demanding the other pen, because a day before only she has given the new stem to the poetess. So he asked that if the poetess is some kind of accountant who has to manage record of any king, and because of this work she needs a pen every day. Okay, so this is the response of the reed towards the demand of the pen of the poetess. Now let us see the third stanza of the poem. No, I don't work for a Shah, I said, but for a Shahni, very kind, very well off. And I am not the only one working for her. She has many servants, ever ready to do her bidding. That Shahni is my mother tongue, Dogri. So this stanza is said by the poetess to the reed when the reed asks some sort of questions about her work, about her relation with some Shah, that whether she work under the Shah or as an accountant, therefore she requires every day a new pen. Now let us see the explanation of third stanza. The poetess replies that she doesn't work for any king, but she works for a queen who is very kind and having a lot of comfort. Therefore, well of word is used here. According to the poetess, the queen is not only having one servant but is having many others also who are always ready to serve her when she needs. In the end, she tells all of this that the queen is not any other person but the mother tongue itself, which is Dogri. Now let us read the fourth stanza of the poem. Give me a quill quickly, she must be looking for me. The reed cut off its hand, gave it to me and said, take it, I am to her servant. So when the poetess eagerly asked the reed to give her the pen, then and said that she means the mother tongue might be waiting for her to be written many poems in the praise of it. So the reed immediately gave one of its stem by cutting itself, and also clarifies that the reed too is the servant of that mother tongue. So let us see the explanation of this stanza. After all this conversation, I said, I means the poetess said to the reed that give me a pen quickly. My mistress, who is the mistress of the poetess? The mother tongue Dogri, would be waiting for me. And why the mother tongue would be waiting for the poetess? So that the poetess will be writing the poems in the praise of the mother tongue. After all that, the reed cut its hand and gave it to the poetess and said that she too is my mistress. Okay, so reed here clarifies that the mother tongue Dogri is to the mistress of the poet, of the reed. So this is all the poem with its explanation about the poet. I hope students you all understood the poem very well, and now I would suggest you to read the poem once again from the book and understand it so that it will be more clear to you. Thank you.